Welcome to my channel. Let's cook with Momo. Today, let's stir-fry Bittergourd Bihun. Ingredients are Bittergourd, dried shrimps. The Bittergourd is not bitter at all. Soak Bihun until softened. Wash dried shrimp, drain and set aside. Sliced carrot. Bittergourd removed seeds and sliced it. Stir-fry dried shrimp until fragrant. Add Bittergourd, season and stir-fry. Add 1 bowl hot boiling water. Simmer until Bittergourd softens. Add carrot slices. Add Bihun and let it absorb the soup. Stir-fry with chopstick to prevent Bihun broken. Season with light soy sauce and pepper powder. Garnish with fried shallots. Bittergourd Fried Bihun is ready. Optional to add dark soy sauce to add color. Cook this recipe and share with your family. They will love it too. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday. It's delicious. Containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.